Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. When somebody hates you, what you should do? Whether you too should hate him? No, never. First of all, why that person hates you? That you understand. Usually when people hate, when they see that other person is doing well, he is happy, he is growing, he is having a nice job, he is well settled, then people will hate him. Because those people who hate, they don't have good job, their children are not settled, they are not happy, they are having so many problems. That is why they hate the people, those who are happy, who are well settled. So they think of pulling them down. They feel that they should be troubled. They should have some trouble. This is what these people think. But remember that when they do like that, whether we should do the same to them? No, never. We should ignore them. Then you may ask me, shall I go straight and ask him why he hates me? No need, not necessary. Because he hates because his, what I can say, situation is not as good as you are. That is why he is jealous of you. He doesn't like you doing well. Then what we should do? Remember, usually people talk about celebrities, those who are well known, let it be politicians, whoever it is. About common man, no one talks. If you are having a beggar on the roadside, whether anybody is jealous of him? No. People are jealous of you because you are growing up. So it is the reason why people hate you, and it shows that you are growing. It is the sign of growing up. When people hate you, remember that you are growing up, and that is why they are jealous of you. Then you may ask me, then what we should do, madam? You should not pay any attention towards those people. On the contrary, ignore them because they are not of your level. Just ignore them. Then concentrate about your own self. Concentrate on your work, on your business, whatever you are doing. Concentrate on your work. When you concentrate, what happens? You will do well in that. You will go high up. That is why your people, those who hate you, on the contrary, they are helping you to do well. That is why I am telling you, you don't hate them. You don't hate them. On the contrary, you ignore them. Because they are helping you for your growth. They have showed you that you are growing up. People hate you because you are growing up. So it is a sure thing that you are growing up. So you have to now concentrate on your own growth, not about others. Don't think what they tell about you, what they talk about you. They may even spread so many rumors about you. Don't worry about you, because when you are growing up, when you are doing well, nobody will pay attention about them. So first thing what you have to do is ignoring those people and concentrating on your own self. Focus on your own self. How you are doing well in your job, how you are doing well in finance, how emotionally doing well, how you are improving your status. Concentrate on those things. It will help you to reach the higher level. And have patience. Have patience. Don't think about why he speaks about me like this, why she tells about. No. Forget about all those things. All those rubbish, pull it out from your brain and throw it out. Now you are concentrating on your own self, concentrating on your work, concentrating on your emotions. And remember that the things are going to change. Because change is the only thing which is permanent in this life. Nothing else is permanent. Only change is permanent. That is why you concentrate, change your own self. Even when others think, talk anything about you, don't feel sad. Be happy. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life, because it is the sign that you are growing. Your growth, that is important. So now you have to nourish your growth. You have to support your own growth. You have to go ahead, because you have got a sign now that you are growing up. Only people hate you when you are growing. When you are down at the bottom, nobody hates you. Nobody pays any attention. When people hate you means you are growing up. You are doing well. You are having some good qualities. So ignore those people, because you are having so many other people who love you, because now you are growing up. They are noticing your growth. They admire you, they like you, they love you. There are so many people in this world and around you. So you concentrate about them. You pay attention towards them. You be friendly with them. Share your things with them, because they are the people who admire you, who like you, who are happy with you. Because real friends are those, or real supporters are those who enjoy your good things as well, in the same way who share even your downfall as well. Whereas these people, those who hate you, they were not bothered about you when you are down. But now you are growing up. You have grown up. There are people who praise you. There are people who give you respect. That is why they are hating you. That is why you ignore them. Only the thing to do is ignoring them. Don't pay any attention towards them. No need to go and ask them why you do like this, why you do. No. Because they don't have that importance at all. Don't give any importance to them because they are feeling guilty about themselves. That is why they want you pull you down. They want you blame you. That is why they may use so many ways, but you ignore them. That is the only thing. So when people hate you, what you should do? You should ignore them, nothing else. Have a good day.